have another card kit for you. This one I call the Wildlife Wonder Card Kit by mail. You will get in the mail everything to create these 4 cards, but you actually get 8 cards. There's enough to make 2 of each card. So there will be this really cute card with the circles, and I will have cut out the circles for you. All you have to do is the stamping and assembling. Okay, and then there's this one also for the great things you do. And we have some, what is this, ink blending back here that we'll be doing to make this card. Then we have this cute wolf here. Let me pull him up so you can see him better. A note of thanks, and also this little owl to a great guy. Now these are perfect, and if you have other sentiments you want to use, like maybe happy birthday, I love you, happy anniversary, those kind of things, there's plenty of room to stamp other sentiments besides the ones that come on the stamp set. Now the stamp set is not included. You have an option to add it on, or if you already own it, that's great. Now, what does come in the kit, though, is the ribbon. This is our denim ribbon, so you'll get an entire spool of the ribbon, which is 10 yards of this really great denim ribbon. You'll also get a pack of our Heart and Home doilies. Comes in the blue, the cinnamon, and also the brown and the gray. So gray, brown, and blue. And they match perfectly with our neutrals designer paper, okay? And you'll get an entire pack of the neutrals paper. So once again, the Wildlife Wonder Card Kit by mail, enough supplies to make 8 of these cards. I've done everything except the stamping and assembling, and also you'll need to cut your own designer paper. I'll give you the instructions and the measurements. I also have 4 videos that you can stamp along with me. We can do it together. And then once again, here are the cards, and I hope you enjoy this.